Okay, so the threesome problem is just trying to find a target similar to finding a specific number in an array or finding two numbers that add up to a target in the twosome problem. So what we always want to do to optimize this and make this easier is search through a sorted array. So we can use the array sort method to sort this nums array that's passed in. And the strategy we'll use is the two-pointer method in tandem with a for loop. So instead of doing a triple for loop and looking through all combinations, which would just lead to n cubed time, we'll iterate over each number in the array. So in I equal to 0, and then I less than nums.length minus 2. So that 2 is to make space for the two pointers that we'll also be searching with. So I plus plus. So what else do we need? We need our result list. Results equal new array list. Okay, so within this for loop, what we'll also need is our while loop and our high and low pointers. So int low is going to be equal to I plus 1. Int high is going to be nums.length minus 1. And so while low is less than high, we'll keep iterating over this loop. And what we'll do is we'll add up all the numbers that we're currently iterating over. So we'll set that to a total variable. So that's going to be equal to nums I plus nums of low plus nums of high. And what we want to do is check if this combination of numbers is equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, then we're going to want to add this to our result. Actually, arrays as list, and we'll do these three values here. And result.add list. And then we'll increment our low pointer and then decrement our high pointer. All right, and to finish off the conditional statement, if our total is less than 0, that means we need to increase the total. So we can do that by incrementing the low pointer. Else the total will be higher than 0 and we'll need to decrement the high pointer. And what we can do is return results. Okay, so this will work in a way, but this will have duplicates. The reason this will have duplicates is because we're not iterating over numbers that have already occurred at any of these indexes. So what we need to do is just have some checks to iterate past any numbers that we've already checked. So for instance, if I is greater than 0 and nums of I is equal to nums of I minus 1, then we can continue because we've already iterated over that number. So if we have like 1, 1, 1 in our array, we want to do our check with the first number 1, but we want to skip over the next following ones. So same thing in here. When we have found a result to add to our result list, we can do a couple of while loops. So while nums low is equal to nums low minus 1 and low is less than high, we can do low plus plus and do the same thing with our high pointer. So this means we're just checking that after we've already incremented or decremented these values, if it's matches the value that we just incremented or decremented past, then we want to keep incrementing or decrementing the pointer farther. Okay, let's see if this will pass. Yep, and that's it.